Can you please give me a route for one-day sightseeing in LA?
I couldn't find any matching places.
Can you please give me a route for one-day sightseeing in LA?
Start your day at the iconic Hollywood sign. While you can't get up close to the sign, there are several viewpoints where you can take great photos. Head to the Hollywood Walk of Fame on Hollywood Boulevard. Walk along the sidewalk and spot the stars dedicated to famous actors, musicians, and entertainers. Visit the Getty Center, a renowned art museum located in the Brentwood neighborhood. Drive to the Santa Monica Pier, a classic Southern California landmark. Stroll along the pier, take a ride on the Ferris wheel, and enjoy the beach. Make your way to the Griffith Observatory, if you didn't visit earlier, for its exhibits on astronomy and space exploration. End your day in downtown Los Angeles. Visit the historic Olvera Street, known as the birthplace of the city, and explore its vibrant Mexican marketplace. I will start the navigation if you confirm the route.
Yes.
Head northwest on, then turn right onto